In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an icon in Elementor. If you're looking to enhance your website's design with eye-catching icons, you've come to the right place. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that you can confidently add and customize icons as you see fit. First things first, you'll need to open up your Elementor editor. Once you're there, look for the icon widget in your panel. Simply drag it into the section or container where you'd like your new icon to appear. This is your starting point and the basis upon which we'll build your customized icon. Now that you've placed the widget, head over to the Content tab. Here is where the magic begins. You'll see an option labeled Icon. Clicking on this field will open up the icon library. This library is a treasure trove of icons from Font Awesome. Feel free to explore and choose the one that best fits your website's style and needs. Alternatively, if you have a specific design in mind, you can switch to Upload SVG. This allows you to upload your very own SVG file. If you're opting for customization or have a tailored design, this option is right up your alley. Once your icon is selected, you have the option to add a link. This means that when users click on your icon, they can be directed to a page of your choosing, like another section within your site or an external URL. You can also adjust the alignment to ensure your icon fits seamlessly with your other content. After you're satisfied with these settings, it's time to move to the Style tab. This is where you'll really bring your icon to life. Start by setting the primary and secondary colors. The primary color usually affects the background or frame, while the secondary color applies to the icon itself. If you're aiming for a visually cohesive design, choose colors that complement your site's existing palette. Next up, you want to adjust the size of your icon. It's important to get this right so that it neither overwhelms nor gets lost in your design. Padding is another critical aspect here, allowing you to ensure there's enough space around your icon for a balanced look. If you've opted for a stacked or framed view, don't forget to tweak the border radius. A higher border radius will give your icon rounded edges, creating a softer, more friendly appearance. Finally, let's add some interactivity. In the Style tab, you can enable hover effects. These effects might include a slight rotation, engaging animations, or even color changes when users hover over your icon. Such features can make your design feel dynamic and engaging. And there you have it, a beautifully integrated icon in your Elementor design. Follow these steps and you'll be adding icons like a pro in no time. Thanks for watching and happy designing!